All right, here's a couple of good questions. This first one, the mass of 5.542 moles of calcium hydroxide. So they want to know what the mass is, and they have the moles are 5.542, and they tell us that it's calcium hydroxide. So I could figure out the molar mass. So the formula I'm going to use is moles equals mass over molar mass. I'm looking for mass, and so I'm going to move this molar mass from the bottom on that side to the top on the other side. Okay? And I'm just going to rewrite the formula so the mass is on the left-hand side. So the mass is equal to molar mass I don't have yet. But I know it's calcium hydroxide. So calcium, I think, is 40.08. You'll have to check that. And then I have two oxygens. So oxygen is 16 times 2 is 32. And two hydrogens. Hydrogen's 1.01 times 2 is 2.02. So if I add that together, 74.10, I think, is the molar mass of calcium hydroxide. So that's grams per mole. Okay, so down here I can put 74.10 grams per mole times 5.542 moles. The moles cancel. 74 times 5, 350. I don't know, might be this 450 one. Somewhere, it'd be somewhere in that range, I think. You can multiply and see what that gets you, but I think it'd be around 450. Okay, here's another question. Find the mass percent. So the mass percent is, this is perfect formula. Mass of the solute, that's 5. And then the solvent is 25, but this total mass of the solution includes the solute and the solvent. So when you plug things in your formula, you put 5 on the top, 5.00 grams, divided by the total mass. So I have to add up this 5 and this 25. So that would be 30.0 grams times 100. Okay, so then do that multiplication. I'm not sure what it comes out to, but was it 3% or, yeah, I forget. Anyway, or 15 or 17, you can do the calculation to come up with that. Okay, so that's a typical thing a lot of people forget, is the bottom isn't just the solvent, the bottom is the total solution, so it includes the solute and the solvent.